Hello everyone, my name is Chioma and welcome to my channel and the review video of Turbo Traffic, an app produced by Kneller Fernandes and Wilson Novoa. So Turbo Traffic is an app that helps you learn how to get high quality social media engagement whilst you replicate their method with just 20 minutes per day. So guys, if turbo traffic sounds like something you like, stick with me whilst I go into details and also giving you a full demo of how this app really works. But also don't forget to click on the bell icon for notification, leave a comment if you have one, click the like, share, subscribe button down below. But then again, today also I shall be adding my usual bonuses, awesome bonuses to this pack. All you need to do is to click on the link that is in the description box below and it takes you to my bonus page, and I'll show you my bonuses for today in just a second. So guys, let's talk about some of the benefits of turbo traffic. I'll take you guys to the sales page. So let's take a look. So these guys are saying today that turbo traffic said learn our proven method of creating automated traffic sales that has made us a list of 21,705 subscribers and buyers with zero experience in just a few months. Copy paste formula to drive real leads and real clicks to your site. And let's also see the benefits. So about the benefits, says anyone can get started today. Drive organic referral and social traffic. No prior experience needed. Copy and paste fast method. 20 minutes of work per day. Quick results possible. Unlimited list possibility. 100% newbie friendly and 30-day money back guarantee. So these are the things these guys are promising today once you purchase turbo traffic. So guys, if you are into social media, I think you will be needing this. Pretty much everybody's on it now, I know. So do not hesitate. And another good thing though is that once you purchase and you don't like it, you can as well be refunded within 30 days, provided it doesn't exceed the 30-day guarantee. So guys, I'll say nothing to lose. Okay, so now we have seen, says finally it's your turn to build a list while working less time. I have shown you this. The money is really in the list. You see, this is what someone made. So they put like says I'll read. Says turbo traffic reveals all the strategies that helped Kneller to go from a newbie to an expert in list building. So you replicate his method with just 20 minutes per day. Learn how to get high quality social media engagement with turbo traffic approach. No more wondering about how to get target visitors to your offers. So guys, says you most definitely need turbo traffic if you have any website or web page, if you're a blogger, if you have a social media profile, if you promote affiliate offers on, or you have a YouTube channel, or you want to succeed online. So I pretty much, I think I will also be getting one of these because I think I'll be needing it. Okay guys, and then the good thing is that they are promising that it's newbie friendly. So if you're not that tech savvy, I don't think it would be a hard task to do. Okay, now I'll take you guys to my bonus page. Don't forget, I have 5 bonuses today that I'll be adding. Click on the link that is in the description box below. It takes you to my page, something like this. So guys, yeah, this is it. These are my bonuses that I'll be adding. I'll be adding 5 today. So you have access to the high ticket mastery, and it's worth $427.95. The second one, you have access to being PPC Hark. And then the third one is worth $344.95. And then you have access to a Hark on how to build a website for dummies. The fourth is you have access to stealth and this offer is just for the first 24 hours only, so it expires after 24 hours. of this app going live. But guys, I wouldn't want you guys to miss it actually. So, and I'm not going to explain any of this my bonuses until you actually purchase through my link, and then you have access and enjoy all the benefits. And then the fifth one, you have access to all the vendor bonuses, guys. And if you logged in through Warrior Plus, what you need to do is to click on the blue button that says access affiliates bonus. Click on it. My bonuses will be added automatically. If it is through JV Zoo, where you see the red arrow, the box right there, click on that. On that link, it takes you, the bonuses will be added automatically too. So guys, I have shown you my bonuses. Let's talk about the prices and the upsells. So about the front end, which is the turbo traffic itself, the software and training modules is $12. So with $12, guys, you have 5 of my bonuses added. Remember, I think I forgot to show you guys, they also have 4 bonuses that they are including in this pack, and their own bonuses is worth $1,418. So the first one is Vanquish, which is the automated YouTube buyer traffic software. The second one is the Insurgency, which is the breakthrough penny click traffic system. And then it's also a done for you monetization source. And then the third one, which is the Gemini, is cloud-based autoresponder to send unlimited emails, squeeze page software, including hosting and templates. And then the fourth, which is the launch reader, is a complete guide on how to run your YouTube channel from day one. So guys, this isn't bad at all. Okay, now let's go back to the prices and upsells. We've talked about the bonuses, so you have 9 total bonuses that will be added to the pack if you purchase through my link today. Even if it is just the front end that you're getting, which is the $12 pack, so you have access to the software and the training models and all the bonuses included. The upsell one, which is the done for you campaigns, is worth $37. So you have done for you bonus page with review video, product demo, and custom bonuses delivered. And then the upsell 2, which is the unlimited traffic, is $67. That allows you to put your Google tag or Facebook pixels on their sales page, and you have a digital email list. The third upsell is a reseller rights, which is $77. So you get that reseller rights to sell and then enjoy the commissions. And the fourth upsell, which is the mastermind coaching calls, is $197. So put yourself ahead of the affiliate marketing game. You get 2 hours calls where you will have the chance to learn how to use this case study in your business. So guys, basically that is just what the prices are. And then I've told you guys about the bonuses also. Let's look at the a demo video. So about the demo video, once you log in, it looks like this. This is about this is just the interface, and all you need to do is to look at the course content depending on which upgrade that you have. But remember, with the front end, you have like limited access to this particular app. So let's just go to the intro. Click on the button there where it says in intro. Click on it. Let's see what happens. So it opens up. This is the introductory part of the course, and let's take a listen to what Wilson has to say, guys.
Hello there and welcome to this members area. First of all, I want to thank you for picking up your copy of Turbo Traffic, and at the same time, I want to congratulate you for taking action. I'm Wilson Novoa, and along with my business partner, Kneller Fernandes, we are so excited to have you here, and we want to make sure that you watch this short video first so you will understand all that is going to happen. First, my business partner, Kneller, he has prepared an amazing training that is going to help you to replicate the same success that he's been having in his business. Not only to find the right traffic to any offer, but he's going to show you how you can turn all that traffic into subscribers, and better yet, you can turn them into buyers. So before we go there, I just want to talk to you about the temptation of quitting. You know how important it is to stay consistent during this training. Only your determination and your discipline can help you to achieve those goals that you will need with this training. And Neller is putting it everything so easy for you, so you can achieve those goals in no time. Um, if you feel overwhelmed at some point of this training, or if the temptation of quitting shows up, remember that just you just need to take it easy, go step by step, and remember how important it is to stay consistent with this method. That's it. The mindset is crucial in this online business. So if you go slow, no problem, as long as you keep on moving. Take the time to prepare yourself to do this, and that's why I want to invite you to this private webinar given by one of the super affiliates right now in the internet marketing, and he's going to explain you how he went from totally broke to $1 million commission paid in a year, and he's going to show you how you can achieve that. I personally went through it, and it helped me a lot to achieve my goals last year, and I want you to be able to do the same. So whenever you have the time, just go there by clicking the link below this video and check it out. I'm sure that this is going to help you a lot. Once again, congratulations for getting your copy of Turbo Traffic. If you need us, now you know where to find us. I'm also putting my YouTube channel down below, so it will be my pleasure to have you around, and you can check all that I have there that is going to help you.
Okay, guys, you've heard what he has to say. Then this is just the introductory part of the videos or the training. So, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking with me. If this sounds like something you like or you've been interested in, or you know someone that needs it, please do not forget to click on the link that is in my description box below. It takes you to my page, and then my bonuses will be added. Also, don't forget to click the bell icon for notification. You can leave a comment, click the like, share, subscribe button down below, and you stay safe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.